There are many butterflies in our street. It's a wonderful treat for our eyes. Butterflies are winged insects from the Lepidoptera, superfamily few have no idea. Butterflies have a long proboscis that allows them to suck nectar from flowers. Butterflies have a four-stage life cycle. Like other whole metabolisms, it's said they undergo complete metamorphosis. Adults lay eggs like foliage, on which they larvae, known as caterpillars, will feed. Caterpillars grow, sometimes very rapidly, and when they are developed, they mate with the seeds. And metamorphosis is completely staged. The result is that flies out. Substance loses the larvae, flies out. Facts about butterflies are their abilities. They are giants and they can lift. Butterfly releases wings to butterflies. Their wings are often colorful to attract other butterflies. There is more predators. Their hosts